Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Monday.com. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically create items in your Monday.com boards whenever someone completes a Jotform Sign document, streamlining your workflow and eliminating manual data entry. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, enter your login credentials to access your account. This is where all your forms and signed documents are stored, so make sure you're logging into the correct account if you manage multiple workspaces. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see My Workspace. Click on this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Signed Documents. This section houses all your signature documents, making it easy to manage and edit them as needed. Now browse through your documents and locate the specific one you want to integrate with Monday.com. Once you've found it, click the Edit button next to that document. This will open up the document in the editor, allowing you to make modifications and access various settings. With your document now open in the editor, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Settings tab to access the configuration options for your document. This is where you can fine-tune how your document behaves and connects with other platforms. On the left sidebar within the Settings area, you'll see various options listed. Click on Integrations to view all the available connections you can establish with third-party applications. Jotform supports a wide range of integrations, making it versatile for different business needs. In the search bar that appears, type Monday.com to filter the results. Once the Monday.com integration appears in the list, click on it to begin the setup process. This integration is what will bridge your Jotform signed documents with your Monday.com workspace. You'll now see different action options. Choose Create Item, as this is the action that will automatically generate new items in your Monday.com board whenever a document is signed. Click Next to proceed to the authentication step. The next screen will prompt you to enter your API key. This key is essential for connecting your Monday.com account securely with Jotform. Paste your API key into the field provided and click Authenticate. If you don't have your API key handy, you can find it in your Monday.com account settings under the Developer section. Once authenticated, Jotform will be able to communicate with your Monday.com boards. After successful authentication, you'll need to configure where the data should go. Select your board from the drop-down menu. For example, you might choose leads if you're tracking potential customers. Next, select the group within that board where new items should be created. If you want even more specificity, you can optionally select a particular item as well. Now comes the crucial part, mapping your form fields to Monday.com columns. This ensures that the information collected in your Jotform signed document ends up in the correct places on your Monday.com board. For instance, if your form collects a full name field, you'll want to map that to a name column in Monday.com. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy, as proper mapping prevents data confusion later. Before finalizing, you'll see an option that says Create a new record when a submission is edited. If you want updates to signed documents to also update the corresponding item in Monday.com, check this box. This keeps your data synchronized even after the initial submission. Once you've verified all your settings and mappings are correct, click Save to complete the integration. And that's it. Your Jotform signed documents are now connected to Monday.com, and new items will be created automatically whenever documents are completed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.